Hey guys, today's video is a quick tutorial on how to create a digital portfolio. The reason I love a digital portfolio is because it's going to be a tool for you. And the idea behind it is that it's a place for you to gather sort of all of the good things that you've done throughout your high school career and take those things and show them to a potential employer or to a college that you're applying for. The benefit of doing this is that now you have something more than just your GPA, more than just your SAT or ACT scores. You have this artifact that is going to show them who you are as an individual. So let me just give you a quick view of what this thing is going to look like. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to run into wakeid.wcpss.net. You'll get logged in if you aren't already, but I am. And then you're going to click on your Google icon here, which will bring you to your Google Drive. From there, you're going to click over here on the new icon and down to more, and finally to, Google Sites. It is going to create a new site for you here, which is super exciting. And I only have really two requirements for your site today. I'm going to call it three. The first thing is to title your site, your name. The second thing is to insert pages for all 8 or maybe 7 if you're taking a blocked class courses that you're in this year. And finally, I want you to publish your site and to share it, share the link with me on Canvas. So we're going to go here and you're going to title your site. You're going to title it your name and then digital portfolio. So I'm rocking to Georgia Smith right now. So I'm going to title mine Georgia Smith Digital Portfolio. But you're going to title it your first name, your last name, digital portfolio. Pepper. Sorry, my dog is, Okay, then you're going to go into pages. You're going to go down to this plus sign where you're going to add a page. And again, you're going to add a new page for each of the 8 courses or so that you're enrolled in right now. So let's say I'm in Speech 1 Honors. I'm in, and then you see that it created a new page for me. So now I can add information as the school year progresses, and I can add artifacts to this page. I'm going to create another page for English 1. That's my second course. Again, I'll add things to this page throughout the year to show people what it is that I'm doing and how I've grown in English. Another page for, let's say, Earth, Science, and so on and so forth until my entire schedule is represented here and I have a page for each of the courses that I'm enrolled in. You can see too that it's inserting a header here that contains all of those different pages, which is really nice as well. Okay, so the last requirement is that you go to this publish button here and you're going to choose, hopefully you can just write your first and last name, Georgia Smith. And if you can't, you can add some numbers at the end here. You're going to click Publish. And it's going to tell you that your site has been published successfully. You can click View and see what it looks like from somebody else's vantage. But then the important thing is that you're going to want to copy this address up here, because today's task is to share this link with me on Canvas. So in order to do that, you're going to hop back onto the Canvas page and submit this URL for Lesson 1, Unit 1, where you're provided a place to submit a URL. So again, we have just created this awesome tool that by the end of your high school career, you're going to have tons of great artifacts in this portfolio that really help to reflect not just, what are your grades, but how have you grown and what are you strong at, and how have you worked throughout your high school career. So awesome job today, guys. Thank you.